Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm David. So today we're going to do an unboxing and first impressions of this Pyrography wood burner kit that I just got on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. So before we see how this thing works, let's check it out, see what the kit comes with. So alright, got it opened here. Right now on top we got some of these stencils, letters, shapes, all kinds of cool stuff, so we'll look into that in a little bit. Got a lot of bubble wrap. So let's see what we can pull out here. Alright, these look like the stands. Yep, so we got two stands. We got a little kit here. Got the wood burning tips, screwdriver, X-Acto knife, some thin pieces of wood, and two pens. Right. And here we got the wood burner. Alrighty, here we go. On and off switch, two connectors for the pens. On and off. Temperature gauge. That's pretty cool. So I've been looking for a wood burner for some time now. This is about $50 on Amazon. Here we got a little X-Acto knife. Two pens here. Got a little rubberized handle grip. Easy screw sets, so you can put in the burner tips and make your own. Comes with a screwdriver, the wood burner tips, just little sponges to lay the wood burner on, and some thin pieces of wood. Alright, so that's the kit. So let me organize this, get it all plugged in, and we're going to go ahead and test it out, try it out for the first time. Alright, so this is plugged in. Let's put on a tip here and plug in the pens. Let's check out the tips that it comes with. Some of these tips kind of just look like paper clips. Maybe you can use paper clips, I'm not sure. Alright, so we got 23 tips. We have this X-Acto carving chisel knife, two pens, two holders, the tool, screwdriver, and then we got these stencils, 24 stencils. Alright, so let's pick a tip here to use. Let's go ahead and try this one. Alright, so first, give this unscrew a little bit. This goes in there. Alright, screw these back on. Oh, we have three square pieces of wood. Okay, let's get this. So I got the plug and then the little screw on here. Just match it up. Plug it in, tighten it on. Okay, so lay that on there. Pick the right side and let's turn it on. Have it all the way off. See it smoking. Let's go all the way high. It's getting red real quick. Took a couple seconds there. Turn it off. Quickly turns off. That's good. And power switch. Alright, let's try this again. We have some lawn people out here trimming the bushes. So I got a scrap piece of 1/4 inch plywood. Let's turn this back on. Let's raise this temperature. Let's see. Let's try it right now. Use the temperature all the way up. It's very hot, very good. So far so good. It's very hot, very quick. Let's see what could be a good setting. Cord is a little bit warm. This is probably good for some like fur, feathers. So the pen is getting warm. Alright guys, so let's let this cool off. I'm gonna hook up the other pen with a different tip. Let's see. Try one of these with the ball on it. Ball tip. We'll need to unscrew these a little bit. Okay, stick that in there. Alright, so let's get this one plugged in on the second outlet. Alright, and let's see what kind of stencils we got here. We got 24 stencils. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4, number 5, number 7, number 6. That was out of order. Number 8. So you guys get the idea. Pretty simple cutouts here, stencils. So I think I'll go and pick some of these and do a little drawing and then wood burn it and see how it comes out. Oh, this one has a Mickey Mouse and a squirrel. Maybe I'll do a squirrel. Maybe do flowers. And we got letters and numbers. Alright, so I'm gonna come up with the design. I'll come back and show you guys how this works. Alright, so I'm just continuing to test this out. So far so good. I got some of these stencils I tried on with this round tip. Now I'm going to try this other pointy tip here. I'm going to trace this squirrel that I stenciled on there. So you can see how quick that heated up. So let's go ahead and trace this out. I'm gonna do a little decorative one. So I'll be right back when I have this laid out, and we'll see how it comes out. Alright, so I got this butterfly on here, and I got this tip put on. So let's see how this comes out. I have the temperature about halfway. It's 474. Let me just speed this up here and get this done. Alrighty guys, there it is. Not too bad. So for first impressions on this wood burner, I say it's not too bad for beginners. $50 US on Amazon. Comes with all these tips and some pieces of wood and stencils, 2 pens. So all in all, for a first try, not too bad. Now how durable and how long will this last, only time can tell. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to keep on playing around with this, testing it out, getting used to it, and trying these on my carvings and stuff. So if this video is helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you later.